Hey guys, we're doing a piering job today. The issue here is this column right here has started to sink, so I'm going to kind of show you a little bit about what's going on. Ethan, can you point out the area that's dropped?
Yeah, right here.
So if you look, you can see the footer. Point out the footer for us. So that's the footer that this pier is sitting on, and it started to sink, and you can tell because it's lower than the concrete next to it. So what we have in here is a hydraulic ram, and we're driving a push pier. So Ethan's going to show us how to do that. You got the remote and everything?
I do.
All right, so what you're going to see is that red piece of steel is going to disappear into the ground. Okay, so we're going to repeat this process over and over again, driving the pier deeper and deeper into the ground, and eventually that piece of concrete right there should start to lift. And all we're doing here on this one is stabilizing it, so we're not going to try to get it all the way back up, but we'll check back in with you.
Have you ever hit the water table on one of these?
Mm-hmm. Ant thinks it's wintertime. He's up out here in a hoodie. It's like 65 degrees.
That's right.
It feels good.
Stay warm.
But he's... Okay, so we've got, I don't know, 2 or 3 segments in the ground here. Go ahead and break that one loose. What you're going to see when we retract the piston, you see it drop like that. We're going to do that over and over again until we get it stabilized. Okay, so we got 8 feet deep, and we were able to get the lift that we wanted. So he's reducing the ram, and you can see it drop right there. So now we're going to do what's called building the pier up, which basically means we're going to construct the pier down in this hole so that this will go back up. I'm going to zoom back in. That right there, you're going to see is going to go back up, and we'll be good.
Just that little piece.
You want this?
Yep.
You gonna do?
Yeah. All right. Now.
That much dirt.
It was dirt, dude.
All right, so we got the pier installed in there. We've got it lifted back up. So we're not, with this particular job, we're just trying to stabilize it. We're not trying to get it perfectly level, just because up here, I'll show you, we have a nice outdoor kitchen with a marble top, and we try not to crack that. So we did not crack it, and that was one of our main goals. So